completed the step 1, then we will move forward to step 2, where we will set up Android Studio. Okay, so where we can download Android Studio, just go over Google search Android Studio and then click on download Android Studio SDK tools and SDK tools, and it will automatically detect your operating system as it has been detected Mac as my operating system. You just need to tap this big green button in order to download this Android Studio. Okay, I had already downloaded this Android Studio over here, so you just need to go over the setup wizard step by step, and in all the steps you just need to press yes and next. It will set up all the necessary tools and everything. You just need to move to this application folder, and then from application folder it is getting moved. Once the Android Studio is moved to application folder, you just need to double tap on it and open it so that we can start the installation widget. Okay, just I am double tapping on it and it is opening, verifying Android Studio.app. You can close that this window. It is showing that it was downloaded from outside. Still you want to open or not? I just pressed yeah. I am going to open this. It will take some time, and you can see this screen came over in my case. There you can see a button here, start a new Flutter project. In your machine it might not be the case. Okay, you maybe actually let me do one thing, Dart and Flutter. Let me uninstall these things, okay, so that you can see your screen and my screen identical. Start the IDE. After completing the setup wizard, your Android Studio might look like this, and there is no start new Flutter project. How can we bring that? We have to go over this configure, preferences, and then plugin section, and if your Android Studio is already opened, you can also go to the preferences by tapping Android Studio here and preferences over here. Okay, now you have to search in marketplace, actually Flutter. Once you get this Flutter plugin with capital F and developed by flutter.dev, you have to install this, and this will lead to a pop-up called this Flutter plugin requires Dart plugin to be installed, and you just need to tap this install button. It will automatically install Flutter and Dart as well, and then you need to restart the IDE in order to set up everything correctly. And once the Android Studio restarts, then you can see there a new button called set up a new Flutter project button over there. You just need to tap this button, just create a Flutter application. You can name your project as you wish, like in my case let me give test my app, and you have to specify the SDK path, Flutter SDK path, if it is not specified, by tapping these three dots over here. Okay, as we have set an environment variables path of the Flutter SDK, so it was that way, it was defined here. Then next, and you can include or you may not include these things. Okay, so let these things keep by default, and this is the package name. This is the package name. Format is in reverse domain format. Like I have a domain called hubmatcoder.com, so I have to put com.hubmatcoder.my test app name or my app name. Okay, so you may not have a domain. In that case, you can put it anything here. No one going to check whether this is exist or not until unless you are putting this on the Play Store. The idea is to make this app package name unique worldwide. Okay, so if you have a domain, so that anyone else cannot have that same domain. So if you have domain and you just put in reverse domain format and then dot and then the app name, in that way this will be unique worldwide. But you don't need to have an domain in order to develop an app in your own machine. Okay, just keep that, and it will take some time when it creates new Flutter project. After the new Flutter projects has been created, you will see a already written sample code there, and that is just really simple app with single button that counts how many times you have tapped the button. Well, that we will see next, after we set up an Android emulator. So in the next step, we are going to see how we can set up the Android emulator. If you have reached this screen, then you are done with this part, and there is no error. In that case, you are done with this part. Okay.